Hi guys, welcome back to Tasteful Staging. Today's episode is going to be called Remodel. Say hi, Johnny. So in today's episode, Nico, the realtor, contacted us by email. He emailed us all these pictures. And what happened with this condo is the last tenant hired a contractor to fix the place, but instead they tore up all the tile, they halfway painted the walls, it's wrecked. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in, put in a new backsplash, paint the cabinets, paint the walls, retile everything, and then we're going to stage it for renting.
Hey. Hi, how are you? I'm doing great.
So here's our mood board, and as you can tell, we're going to use the same countertops. And because those countertops kind of have a little bit of brown in them, we chose this beautiful French oak flooring. And then for the cabinets, which are destroyed, we're going to use this blue pink color to kind of bring in the sea.
The market here is so special because of our beautiful beaches. As everybody knows, we have the white sand, beautiful water. It's just a tourist hotspot. Everybody wants to be here. If this design turns out to be what it looks like on the pad, then it'll definitely bring in some renters.
So the reason that I chose this wall mural for the bathroom in the master is so it ties with the living room painting. So to start using the wall mural, all you have to do is just peel off the back, and then we're going to adhere this to the wall.
We had a $5,000 budget that included all of the construction. With the virus going on, we had to shop in the warehouse and also online and a little bit of thrift store, and don't forget Lowe's. So we've already shopped online at my house. We've shopped at Lowe's, and now we're going to go ahead and shop in my warehouse. This is where I store all of my staging furniture. So I got here and they're telling me I have to park right here, and that's where we have to go and take all the furniture. So it's going to be a long haul. Mr. Johnny Cash is not with us today. His little eyes are hurt, but don't worry, he will be here for the reveal. Look at the remodel. It took a whole week to get everything done. We had a $5,000 budget that included all of the construction, but I think we achieved a lot, especially in these times. Right now, with the virus going on, there's really no shops open, so we did online shopping. We went to Lowe's, we shopped in my warehouse, and we did a little bit of thrift store shopping. He's here. Hi.
Hi.
Come on in.
Oh, wow. This looks like a whole new place. This looks amazing.
So we can kind of have a French feel, a lovely sea feel going on.
I think especially here they're looking for a very, beach kind of bright and happy vibe, and that's what they want to do. They want to come down here and enjoy the sun and the beach, and it kind of carries over to where they're staying a lot as the perfect beach getaway place. I didn't know if she could do it in my budget or in the time frame I needed it done, but she has just knocked it out of the park and it looks amazing.
That's a wrap on the Remodel.